Hello everybody, Kirk here with Space Pickle Designs, and today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of Sam's Bead box, and this is Broadway bound for November 2024. If you'd like to see what's in this box, just keep on watching. First up is this graduated strand of fire polish rounds in Celsian, and this is 6 to 14 millimeters. And I do love that Celsian coating. It gives kind of like a vintage feel to me. We've had this before with Sam's Bead box. But I do like the idea of this graduated strand here. It's very tempting to just keep it as is and not be too creative with it because they've already been put together. And the beads in the middle there look like little baby fire polish, so you really could just string this and it would be a beautiful necklace. We have a 10-inch strand of black onyx star cut, and these are dyed, and that's a 5.5 millimeter. And these are beautiful. I love black beads, and especially star cuts with such crispy facets on them. These are great. I think this is the fire polish round gilded Broadway mix in the 8 millimeters, and this is a 16-piece strand, so you get 8 of each color. These are pretty. They have like a copper wash on them, and it's like a purple and a red. Next up are these really cute table cut starburst flowers in red crystal bronze, 12.5 millimeter, and there's 5 pieces here. And they're definitely see-through. Gives that window effect to the bead. I need like a lighting setup underneath here so you can see kind of that clear see-through quality to the bead. These are the teeniest, tiniest little babies, and these are pyrite faceted rounds, 2.2 millimeter, 12.5-inch strand. And they say 2.2 millimeters, but they feel just way smaller than that. You can fit like 6 strands on one width of my finger here. They are just so tiny, but they pack so much sparkle, and I can't wait to use these. I'm sure the drill holes are extremely small in these, so we'll have to find something really cool to use these on, maybe bead embroidery. I think that would be really nice. We have a strand of check glass stars here in jet black gilded bronze, 8 millimeters, and these are 18-piece strand. There's actually a lot of check glass stars on the Beadbox Bargains website right now if you like the shape. So here you go. We have a fire polish drop, jet black, red silk bronze, and so we have pairs here. I actually like that they did the 2, 2, 2, 2, so you actually see that you're getting like an even number for each. So it will be the jet black and red silk bronze, 6 by 8 millimeters, and there's 16 pieces here. This is a very unique color combination for this time of year, and I like it. This is a curved petal brio check glass, and this is in the color Celsian. And you can just see there's just a very slight curvature to these petals. And this is an 8 by 11 millimeter, and you get 10 of these babies right here. Very unique color on this shape. This is a spacer rondelle, red silk gilded bronze, 2 by 4 millimeters, and these are really, really cool. These are also check glass. And so it looks like the holes on these are actually a pretty substantial hole, so you can use them on a variety of projects. I'm hoping I'll be able to use these on cotton cording, but we'll see. This is a strand of check glass 2-hole squares, and these are red crystal gilded bronze, 6 millimeter, and there are 18 pieces to these. So a lot of potential here when it comes to bead weaving as well. And I also kind of just like want to put these on a bracelet. They look really cute and just sleek. This is a beautiful strand of crystal quartz fancy faceted round grade A, 8 or 8.5 millimeter, 14-piece strand here, and we love a good crystal quartz moment. These are just so cute and nice, and there's not a lot of inclusions or cloudiness. These are pretty clear, and especially for the price to be included in this box, crystal quartz can actually really, really get up there in price, so I love to see this strand. Last strand is a check glass English cut, jet black vitriol gold, and it looks like there's a little, actually I was going to say that it looks like there's a little bit of acid wash to these, but maybe not. Maybe this is just the coating and how it looks, but you can see that there's like a roughness to it. And I actually prefer that. I think it looks really, really good. And you will get a touch of that wash on there on each and every bead. And so these are just beautiful. We have some nice expensive beads here. This is a check glass table cut square, red crystal bronze. Again, we're sticking with the red crystal bronze. And look how perfect and juicy these are. I love the contrast of that deep, rich red with that deep, rich bronze. I just really, really like how that combination comes together. Here is a glass geo barrel, red, black, white stripe mix. And you get 2 of these, and these are quite unique. I'm trying to look to see. These aren't, I guess they're a little bit different in size. You can see there's like, it's not precise or anything, but they're pretty close. You could definitely probably get away with using these as a pair. But yeah, mirroring that caned glass throughout these beads with the colors that you're finding in the rest of the box is really, really cool. I like these a lot. Look at this beauty. She is a 16 millimeter one-piece crystal quartz fancy faceted round, grade A, and mine is quite clear. And look, pairing them with this little strand here, that's a really, really luxurious piece. So let's see if I can get you a little bit closer so you can see what mine looks like. And the way that the light just plays through this crystal is just not something that you're gonna find in a glass bead, and that's what makes this like crystal quartz so special, in my opinion, is that it just amplifies light. This is a new shape for me. This is a Brio square diamond, Greek key pattern, jet black gold, 19 millimeter, and it is drilled from top to bottom here, if you can see that. But I don't have any of these. This is my first Greek key pattern Brio square diamond. So I like those. We have a twofer here. The first one up are these jet black gold barrels, and I love these. I think these are so cool. You get 5 of those, and it's an 8.5 by 15 millimeter, as you can see there. And look at the detail on these. I really love that wash. It just looks very luxurious. And then the next 2 beads here are check glass ornate rectangle, red crystal, gold, 11 by 12.5 millimeter. And these are not equilateral sides. I think that's the correct term for it, but they are a little bit longer, so they are definitely a rectangle here, even though it's quite squished. Here's a handful of glass pear Brio jet black and clear, and it looks like you get 2, 4, 6 of each, and these will be an interesting addition. I'm looking to probably just keep these clear and black and not add any of the red components. I think that would look like a stunning piece just as they are. Next are these 24 pieces of check glass diagonal drill starry cube Broadway mix, and these are a 7 millimeter size, and they are drilled on a diagonal here like it said. And so let's get one of these on here. So this is how they are drilled. I think these are quite interesting. And it kind of displays the wash a little bit more like in your face, because it brings your eyes to them, because they're not just like, they're not rounds, they're not cubes, they're like diagonal. I mean, they are cubes, but they're on the diagonal, so it doesn't look like a traditional cube where it kind of stacks against each other. Yeah, I like those. This little bag is called Broadway Brass, and it looks like these are 2 music staff pendants here. You can see a treble clef with some notes in there, and they are the same, and they're one-sided. Then we have some chandelier components, and these are a deco chandelier. It's definitely giving me an Art Deco vibe, just with that gilded look and the bronze accents. And so you get 2 of these, and I really, really like those components. I hope they have more for sale. And then you have, this is really cute. Let's pick these up here. You have 2 happy and 2 sad drama mask. So comedy and tragedy here. Charms 10.5 by 17 millimeter, and there are 4 pieces. And those are quite a unique touch to this box. I think it really brings it all together. Here's our Sam's bead box for Broadway bound. So what do you think about this box? I actually really love it. There's a lot of possibilities here. I think my favorite pieces overall are probably the crystal quartz and these very unique, like I think it was called a Greek key pattern here, and I just really loved the ornate quality to this box. It is still luxurious, elegant, over the top for the holidays, without having to be that red and green, you know, true Christmas, or, you know, Hanukkah being like white and blue. And so that's stuff that we see as well. And so I actually like this take on this time of year. It's still opulent and elegant, and it still really gets that luxurious feeling across. So looking at this box, I'm sure you've seen other people unbox it by now, but looking at this box, what would you like to see from me in terms of tutorials? Please use the comment section down below. I read each and every one of them, and I would love to make a piece that you want to see or you want to watch, especially if you are stuck for ideas. I'll give you the Space Pickle Designs take on that. So I hope everybody is staying safe and well. Stay warm out there, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.